Let's unbox some cute Korean stationeries. Welcome to part 1. Hello, I'm Mr. Frog. Nice to meet you. And I'm Dr. Happy. Hi. Here we have a cute notebook. Just like our cute subscribers. Well, it's our new channel. So please support us and subscribe to our channel. Yes guys, please subscribe. And also we have 2 packs of colorful markers. The colors are really very pretty. Let's see how they look on the notebook. Wow, I love the blue one. It's so beautiful. Which one was your favorite, Mr. Frog? And which one was your favorite, my lovely viewers? Let me know in the comment section. Bye. Thanks for watching.